Navi.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you are at home. Hello, Navi. Good morning.
Good
How are
morning,
you?
teacher.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good to know, Navi. I see you're wearing a dress. Did you go to the cafe before our class?
No, yes.
Oh, yes, you did. Did you study there?
Yes.
I see. Now let me share my screen, Navi, and yes, we will continue talking about your new book today. Okay, for a moment, we are already in slide 9. Okay, so we'll be talking about your sub. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
school and
không
learning
bị rớt
here.
á. Chứ con chỉ nói không bị rớt là con không bị rớt. Okay.
Okay, now we'll talk about school and learning. All right. So, can you tell me, Navi, what is your favorite subject at school?
I have two subjects.
Yeah, what is your two favorite subjects?
It's English and singing
Oh, okay. Can you tell me why?
because when after the math or Vietnamese class, I have more fun.
I see. How many subjects do you have? Do you have 10 subjects?
Eight.
Oh, you have 8 subjects. Wow, that's a lot, Navi. And you have two favorite subjects. What subject is the most difficult for you?
And Vietnamese.
Math and Vietnamese, but you are good at math.
Nine. I in not in grade three anymore. I'm in grade four.
Oh, okay. So math is more difficult now. Okay, but Nini, you can always have Nini to teach you. She's good at math.
My mommy too.
Oh, okay. So yes, you can have your mom or Nini to teach you math.
My dad
What?
too.
Oh, your dad too. Wow. And Anna too.
No, Anna don't teach me.
But she's good. I mean, she's good at math. Okay. So, Navi, why do you find the Vietnamese subject difficult? What makes it difficult?
Sometimes I didn't see. I never seen this the new words,
Oh, but it's in Vietnamese.
but I
You
never
are
seen
Vietnamese.
that new
Oh,
words.
oh, it's a difficult word, even though it's Vietnamese. Okay, I see. That is why. Thank you, Navi. So, what time do you go to school?
I go at my school have two off time. First
In
at
the morning?
no at Monday to
On Monday?
Tuesday, at Monday
On
to
Monday, Navi?
Wednesday, on Monday to Wednesday is seven seven fif- 7:15. But
Okay.
in
Thursday to Friday?
Tuesday to Friday is 7:30.
Oh, okay. So what time do you come home then?
It's five 5 o'clock.
Oh, 5 o'clock every day?
No, at the evening.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in the afternoon. Where do you eat
Uh,
lunch?
I eat at my home.
Okay, and then, so what time do you come home in the morning? At 11 o'clock?
Yes, 11 o'clock.
What time do you go to school? In the afternoon at 2 o'clock.
Two. First, it is like the same, but it just changed. Like the 1 to Wednesday is 2:15, but
Mm.
Friday with Thursday is 2:30.
Oh, okay. So you really have time to sleep after eating lunch. You have nap time. Okay. Do you like your teacher, Navi?
Yes,
Yes, you do. All your teachers?
yeah,
Oh, wow. What can you say about them, Navi? Why do you like them?
because there is nice.
Oh, they are nice. I see. Do you have a favorite teacher?
No, my
No, you
favorite
don't.
teacher is my mom.
Oh, wow. You're so lovely, Navi. You're so nice. Okay, your favorite teacher is your mom. I see. Love that answer, Navi. Now, have you tried eating lunch at school? Never. Because if you eat lunch at school, that means your mom will pay for your lunch, right? Okay.
But who eat at them and because their family are busy.
Okay. But your mom is not busy, not so busy. I
But
see.
when I go to school, there's my aunt in my house, and she go go to school to to
Fetch
take
you.
to take me, and I go home.
Okay. And is your school near your house? Oh, wow. I see. Have you tried walking from your house to your school, Navi? Since it's just near?
I don't go walking, but Nini tried to ride a bicycle to school at
Have you
home.
tried riding a bicycle? No, why not? You said it's near.
But Nini is trying to ride a bicycle to home to the school,
Her new school?
old school.
Oh, old school. Do you join any clubs at school, Navi? English clubs, right?
School.
It's
Yes,
a group. Yes? What club? What club did you join, Navi?
I every subject.
Oh, in every subject? You're very participative, Navi. Okay. Now, let us talk about hobbies and free time activities. What are your hobbies, Navi? Because I always see you learning, but I don't really know what you love to do.
You know,
I know you love to learn. Is it just learning?
no. You know, I have two subjects I like. One is in two of that.
Singing and
No, just singing.
I would say singing and talking. Navi's favorite hobby is talking. Okay. So you really love to sing. Do you play musical instruments, Navi, like flute, violin, piano?
I play piano.
Just piano. And as well as, what's that again? Wherein you will do it like this? You have it in your house, in your library. The one Nini
What?
used.
Yes, yes, yes. And she
What do you
is
call that?
playing violin too.
Oh, really? What do you call that instrument, Navi?
Uh,
Do you know that in
there's
English?
no.
Oh, no, you don't. Okay. Can you type it in
This
here
one.
so I can translate it? And recently, Nini joined a competition using that musical instrument, right?
2.
Oh, it's still the same.
Mm, mm,
This one, right? Yes, this one.
Yes.
Okay, and it makes different sound. Okay. But there's no English translation. See, there's no English translation. It's still the same. Okay, thank you.
You can say tea room.
Oh, is okay, so it's tirung. Okay, tirung. Okay. Yes, it's very nice. And I can see that it's really in Vietnam. Oh, a traditional instrument in Vietnam, Navi. So now, what about in your free time, Navi? What do you do?
I use the same as Nini. Today, Nini will learn with me. Nini's that instrument teacher today.
Oh, okay. So you have a very productive day every time, Navi, I must say. What do you do in your free time? Especially Saturday and Sunday. Oh, read books?
Or
Okay. Listen to music. Oh, I thought you would go out with your family or travel, Navi.
sometimes travel and go outside and I walk and
Listen to music. Okay. Still sounds nice, Navi. Can you tell me what do you like doing? What do you like doing? Can you answer in a complete sentence, Navi?
I like to study with teacher app.
Really? Okay, so you like learning with me, and as well as you love to sing. It's singing that you love most. Okay, what do you do at the weekend?
Or learning that instrument.
Okay, you learn Taerong. Okay, what about the piano? Do you play piano every day?
No, just in 2 and 6. It's in Monday and Friday.
Okay, do you have a piano teacher too?
Yes, but
Oh,
it's in home.
Okay, at home. Do you have a hobby, Navi?
My hobby is,
Yes.
you know,
Okay.
it you know.
Yes, I know your hobby, but you have to practice answering in a complete sentence. Okay, so my hobbies are, can you answer in a complete sentence, Navi? Though I know your answers, Navi, but you have to practice answering in a complete sentence. That is why. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I do.
What are those?
And singing.
This singing, dancing.
No,
You don't dance? Okay, you don't dance. You only sing. Okay, Navi. So my hobby is sing. My hobbies are singing and reading books. You can include reading books, Navi. Do you like listening to music?
yes, I do.
Who is your favorite artist?
Artist.
Yeah, your favorite singer.
I cannot choose one.
Oh, okay. So who are they?
Well, I have 100,
We have 100. Top three, Nabi. Top three.
but they have a name in English.
What? Oh, they're Vietnamese. All Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Okay. Do you know Master D? Do you
I don't
know
like him.
why don't you like him?
I just like
Is he
some
weird?
people. I
Why
mean,
don't you like him?
I like my mom. Some people my mom like.
Oh, okay. What about Logi?
Well,
Logi. Do you know him?
who is that?
He's a I don't really know. It's just a singer in Vietnam that my student introduced to me. Him. You don't know him? Oh, okay. But he is a singer in Vietnam. See, An Logi. An Logi. He's a Vietnamese rapper, Navi. Oh, you don't know him. Okay, that is fine, Navi. That's fine. Okay. So, can you tell me your top three singers?
I said it has many.
Oh, okay. So you won't tell me their names. What about English? Taylor Swift. Do you know Taylor Swift? Do you listen to English songs? Do you listen to English songs, Navi?
Yes, but they not. There there are many people, but they don't say who sings. Then I don't know.
Okay. What
But I
English
like
song do you know?
Michael Jackson.
Oh, you like Michael Jackson. Okay. Billie Jeans? Billie Jeans is not my lover. You like Michael Jackson? That is Michael Jackson's song. What English song do you know, Navi?
Uh,
Can you
uh
sing? Can you sing it?
no.
Why?
Look here.
What English song do you know, Navi? Because your
Look
mom,
behind
your
me.
oh, you can sing because your mom is behind you. Your mom told me that in your other teachers, Navi, you sing. You love to sing to them, but you haven't sung in my class.
Because when
Okay.
I just study with you, my mom is sitting next to me.
Okay, that is why. Okay. What do you do in the evening, Navi?
I am learning with my mom.
Oh, you learn what subject, math?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So you learn math with your mom. What time do you sleep then, Navi? What time do you sleep, Navi?
yes.
What time do you sleep?
Do you know what time? It's very, very long, but I sleep
Maybe 11? Do you sleep at 11? That's very late, Navi. Maybe 10.
12.
Why? What do you do at 12? That's midnight. You
Hindi ko
right?
naman.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, Navi. Now, let's talk about sports and games.
It's real.
Oh, it's
It's
real?
real.
Oh, I thought you have to
But
um
when earlier it's not 8:13 because I sleep on buses.
Okay, I see. That is why. Now, but yeah, learning at 12, that's very late, Navi. That's not time to learn, that's time to sleep. Okay. So,
But my mom go to 2 o'clock morning.
really? Oh, wow. Okay, now, Navi, let us talk about sports and games. What is your favorite sport, Navi?
I don't like any sports. But when you ask about more swimming, I like swimming.
Swimming is a sport, Navi. So you like swimming, Navi? Swimming is a sport, Navi. Navi?
Yeah.
Swimming is a sport. So
Teacher, what game do you like to play?
I play badminton. I play badminton, Navi. Okay, so when you were asked, Navi, since you love swimming, then what's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is swimming, okay?
My favorite sport is play volleyball.
Oh, do you play volleyball? Oh, really? But it will hurt your hand. No?
Jumps and
Oh, okay. Just blocking. I see. Can you swim, Navi? Can you swim?
yes.
Yes. Oh, yes, you can.
I
Do you have
can go to the boat at the beach. It's like this is the boat.
Mhm.
Here, this is the boat, and this is the sand. And I swim, 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 swim.
Really? Do you have a swimming class or no?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. Now, Navi, let us have a 5-minute break and I'll see you again at 10:30.